Revamp your crochet braids from this to this. What's up, everybody? It's Lotta and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to bring these crochet braids back to life. Yes, they are looking a hot mess right now. I've had them in for about a month or so, and I don't ever keep these in this long. I've just been super busy. I'm in a brand new house and I'm really excited. So I've just had these in to hold me over while I've been packing and moving and grooving. As you can see, it's pretty frizzy. My braids are kind of like pushed back. You can see my roots. It's just not a good look. So we're just gonna revamp this, clean them up a little bit so that way we can wear it a little bit longer until we're ready for our next style. And in my opinion, I feel like crochet braids, especially like box braids, twists, locks, all those type of styles, I feel like they should not look like crochet braids. So the whole goal of this video is to kind of make them look like individuals by the time we're done. And just so you get an idea, here's a picture of what it looks like a month ago when I first did them on day one. Yes, so that is the goal. So let's hop into this video. Let's get started and bring these bad boys back to life because they need it. Here's a list of all the products I'll be using today: edge control, an edge brush or toothbrush, moisturizer, a crochet needle, shampoo, spray ball of water, a damp rag, and a dry rag. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is clean up our scalp a little bit. I like to wash it, if you will. So I go cornrow by cornrow and just clean up each little section with some shampoo. So what you wanna do first is, let me pull this hair back and separate the first side. Take your spray bottle and just spray your scalp. You don't wanna drench it, just get it a little wet. And then you're gonna take your shampoo. I'm currently using tea gel. I used to deal with really bad dry scalp at one point, so I've been using this for about 1.5 years, and it has completely transformed my hair. Maybe I'll do a wash routine video one day. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to see that, especially if you deal with dry scalp like I did. But yes, you wanna apply just a tiny little amount of this. I'm gonna use about this much and just apply it to your scalp and just simply massage that in. We are just wanting to clean up any buildup or remaining product from any edge control, grease, oil, just anything that's just been sitting in there. It's gonna clean that up. And then you're gonna take your spray bottle again and wash it out. You can also use your damp rag to eliminate any extra shampoo. You want to take your dry rag just to prevent any leftover moisture just rolling down your face and just pat it dry like that. Then last, you just want to add whatever moisturizer you like. I'm using coconut oil hair grease by Softee, and just taking a little bit of that and moisturizing your scalp again. As you can see, it's nice and clean. It's such a big difference from when we first started. Pretty simple, right? So what I'm gonna do is just keep going down cornrow by cornrow and just cleaning it up. Depending on your purpose for revamping these, you can just focus on right around the perimeter, or you can do the entire cornrow front to back. Just to go ahead and clean that up. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going and then we'll continue to the next step. So after we have cleaned up our parts and they are nice and fresh and clean and moisturized, what we are gonna do is go around our perimeter and remove a braid from each cornrow. Now you can skip this step if you prefer just to use any leftover braids, or if you want to go out and buy another pack of crochet hair, that's fine, either or. I didn't have a chance to do that, and like I said, I'm actually gonna take these out probably after this video, but for the sake of the video, you can easily just remove each one from around the perimeter. And be very gentle. You don't want to pull your edges. You just want to find it in between the loop and pull out. And hopefully it should slide right out if they were done correctly and your hair is not all twisted and knotted up. So that's pretty simple. We're gonna go around each one and take these out really quickly. Okay, so now that we have taken out our perimeter, I did it around the front and the sides, a couple in the back. I just like to put them to the side. I put a little hair tie around them. You can like clean up the knots really quickly with just spraying it with some water. And then taking another little bit of your shampoo and just cleaning out that little buildup that's in the knots. Just get it a little sudsy, clean that up really good. Get the little dirt out. And then just spray it again. Same thing, damp cloth. And your dry cloth. And you can take a little dab of moisturizer and just bring the shine back, since this will be right along the edges at our root. And it's just a really quick way just to kind of bring some life back to it. And this might be a little OCD, but I like to just clean the edges one more time with the water and shampoo method. So just wet around your edges. Get your shampoo. I just hate when dirt builds up, y'all. I'm sorry I'm being so extra, but it just looks so nice and clean in the end. Just massaging. Oh, feels so good. All right. Clean that all out. Damp cloth and your dry cloth. So now you can see, look how nice and clean it is for the most part, right around your edges, around your perimeter. So for the next step, what we're gonna do is take our edge control. I'm using Lotta Body 24-hour edge control. So take whatever edge control you like, and we are going to apply this to our edges. And what you wanna do is swoop each little baby hair back into its individual cornrow to kind of give it some definition. So let's just apply some along our edges. And swoop this right into the cornrow. Just bringing some life back into those edges, make it look pretty again. So we're just going to continue this all around. We're going to go back and reinstall our crochet braid to each cornrow. And you just kind of want to make sure you can kind of separate your part a little bit, give it definition, and keep your toothbrush by in case you just need to re-swoop some of the edge control. And when we reinstall it with our crochet needle, You want to keep it pretty close to the edge, but please do not pull too tight. We do not want to damage our edges. You know your edge situation, so please do this at your own risk. You just want to get it kind of close because it keeps it really clean and fresh looking, and that's kind of how you achieve that look of individuals versus crochet. So you just pull it through, grab the tail of it, close the latch, and pull through, and keep your finger close to the edge so that way it gets nice and flat and you don't really see the knot too well. And so that just smooths right back into it. All right, so you take the next one, kind of define that part and separate it. If you need to reapply any edge control, and swoop that in. Like so. Take your braid and your crochet needle and get it as close to the edge for your liking. Pull through, grab the tail, keep your finger on the edge and pull as tight as you like to keep it nice and clean. All right, so I'm going to keep going around my perimeter and come back and show you guys what it looks like in the end, fully redone, fully revamped, back to life, and looking amazing again. All done. So this is how it came out. What do you guys think? Looks really good, right? Nice and clean. Our edges look amazing. The scalp feels really good. It's been washed, cleaned, moisturized. Yeah, so this is a quick, easy way just to hold you over for one more week. On average, this only takes me about 20 to 25 minutes to do. So simple, free if you have everything at your house already. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then at nighttime, what I do to hold it over, to keep it, last a little bit longer, is I put everything up into a big loose bun. So you don't want to pull your edges too far back. And then just put a scarf around your perimeter. And I just put a little bonnet around all of that. Not really the cutest way to sleep at night, but it gets the job done and maintains frizz and all that jazz. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope this was very helpful. Please leave me plenty of comments below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Show your girl some love. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.